Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I'm working on some more coasters, and these are round wooden ones that I actually got from Michael's. They come 12 to a pack, and I got them when they were on sale, so they were 50% off, and they are really nice coasters. I really like working with these. So I'm using Pro-Marine resin, and I'm just going to put a little bit of clear down on the coasters first, so that when I add the color resin, then it will glide easier across the surface. Going to heat up the clear resin just a little bit. Don't need to do a whole lot to it because it's just basically there to provide a easy base. And I'm just going to use my finger and push the resin out to the edges. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I have a show coming up next month, and I think these will be a really good addition to my inventory. I'm going to do them in some of our state team colors, or one of our state team colors. And of course I'll do the rival colors too. And I'm using the Just Resin Midnight Blue, and I'm using Artist Loft Floor Acrylic Red for my red, and just going to use my stir stick and just kind of stream it across there. I'm not trying for any certain pattern. I just want to get the colors on there and mingle them up a little bit. Don't really care for them to blend. I do not really want to make purple. I just want red and blue. It's okay if the white shows through a little bit, because that goes along with these colors as far as the team goes. And I know it looks orange here, but it's really not. I didn't like the way this was looking right here, so I just decided to wipe that off and do it a little bit different. So it kind of looks like I'm making Pepsi tops, but I'm not really. So just streaming it across, and don't really try for any certain design. Just want a nice representation of the red and the blue. A little bit more, then we'll add some heat and make sure that they go out to the edges of the coaster. Make sure all the way around is covered. So I wiped this one off a little bit more because I still didn't like all that blue that was on there. I wanted a little bit more of the red. And just add a little bit of heat, and I felt like it needed a little bit more red, so just trying to mix it with my finger where the colors will meet, and pulling it out to the edges. And I think right here we're going to do a little bit more red and see what happens. On this one right here, I think I had a little bit too much blue. Gonna let these set and cure, and I'm going to show you a close-up of each one and what they look like. And here they are. They look really dark, but I'm going to do a close-up of each one so that you can see that they truly are red and blue. I think they turned out really nice, and I think they're going to be perfect for the show. So if you have enjoyed this video, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so now and ring that bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below in the comment section. I so enjoy hearing your feedback and what you think and how you feel about what I'm doing. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade.